Currently, we have 6 therapeutic candidates that we're bringing forward, as well as 2 diagnostic assays. Our 6 therapeutic candidates are targeting a broad array of solid tumor types. And that's our primary interest, is to look for genetic targets that have broad application. And then the diagnostic assays would be measurements to measure these genetic targets in blood samples of patients, oftentimes giving early indication of disease progression. And so that's our, one of our interests as well. As a company, we're evaluating different genetic targets that lie within tumor cells. And our lead candidate targets what's called a microRNA, called microRNA 10B, that's broadly associated with multiple tumor types that are known to be metastatic in nature. That is, tumor cells are able to travel someplace else in the body. And that's where you have difficulty. When you have distant metastases in a variety of different tumor types, that's where the difficulty from treatment arises. Well, the biggest challenge is delivery. That up until now, it's been one of those ongoing challenges that's been very difficult to overcome for a whole variety of reasons. And I think our discovery of our delivery platform that we call TTX, which resolves, we think, this delivery challenge, almost happened by serendipity, if you will, because our 2 scientific co-founders were working at the Martinez Center for Imaging, primarily interested because they were professors of radiology at Harvard Medical School at the time. And their primary interest was to evaluate therapeutics so that they could actually be visualized where they go in the body. And so they used an iron oxide nanoparticle formulation that has the ability to be visualized under MRI. And then one of the postdocs, who is now our chief technology officer and co-founder of the company, Dr. Medorova, she thought maybe this would be a great vehicle for a delivery of a therapeutic oligo or a synthetic RNA molecule to go after some of these microRNA targets. And sure enough, it was extremely successful from the very beginning. Right now, especially, I think is a good time to invest, because we think that based on the potential of what we're working on, the value of our company is obviously not where it should be. We're also pursuing, and not just therapeutic candidates that can target a variety of different cancer types that have virtually no treatment options, or very little, like glioblastoma and pancreatic cancer and small cell lung cancer and osteosarcoma. These are very difficult tumors to treat, and they all upregulate this microRNA 10B I spoke of. We're also very interested in the diagnostic assessment of patients, looking for the expression of these different markers in blood samples. And in closing, really, our market cap, looking at the potential for our company, we're looking at a multi-billion-dollar opportunity here for the company. So, we're excited about what we're doing, and we think we can achieve that.